How to enable auto FPS on iPhone camera. So if you want to use your iPhone camera to record videos and then reduce the light to get the best video possible by optimizing the camera, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable auto FPS on your iPhone camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once open the settings app, scroll down and click on the camera app. So it doesn't matter that you're using a visiting or Helia, just go ahead and click on the camera app. Now, once you selected camera, click on record video. Now, under record video, scroll down. It should say auto FPS. Automatically reduce the frame rate to improve low light video and to optimize file size. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you clicked on auto FPS, then there are three options available here: to disable auto FPS or set the auto FPS to 30 frame rate per second, or set the auto FPS to 30 and 60 frame rate per second. So whichever one you choose, just go ahead, select it, and then hit the back button. Now, when next you want to record videos on your iPhone, just go ahead, open the iPhone camera, then select video. Then your auto FPS will be enabled and it will be able to adjust the video light and then optimize the file size. So that is basically how to enable or turn on auto FPS on iPhone camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.